Hello Falava and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we are learning Samoan phrases that help us to share our emotions. Enjoy! Our first phrase for today is Wa'o wha'anoa noa. Wa'o wha'anoa noa. I am sad. Our next Samoan phrase that helps us talk about emotions is Wa'o whiawhia lava. Wa'o whiawhia lava. I am very happy. Just a quick mention that today our video is brought to you by Measina clothing. Measina clothing are everyday clothes that you can purchase online, and it's made by a Samoan designer from around the world. Today we have our Malu t-shirt. There are lots of other Samoan clothing and gifts that you can buy. The link is in the description. Back to our Samoan phrases. Our next Samoan phrase that has to do with emotions is Wa'ita le teine. Wa'ita le teine. The girl is angry. So another phrase that you could use when you are trying to share your some emotions in Samoan or describing an emotion in Samoan is Watangi le pepe. Watangi le pepe. The baby is crying. Watangi le pepe. Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. If you learned something new in this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more Samoan phrases, subscribe to our channel. So if you were paying attention to our video, who was Ita? Was it the pepe? Was it the teine? Tell me in the description. In the comments. Leave a comment. Yes. Thank you very much. Tofa soifua. Au wha'anoa noa. Blah, blah, blah. Today we are learning Samoan phrases that help us to So another phrase that you could use when you are trying to share your some emotions in Samoan or describing an emotion in Samoan is Watangi le pepe. Watangi le pepe. The baby